In the last Cardano or ADA price prediction, I gave you this and this level for a short, this level for a long, and we basically got 2.7% on the short, 2.7% on the long. And the question is, what is going to happen now? Because exactly on the 4-hour chart right now, as you can see, price is touching the 200 EMA. It touched the 50 EMA, retraced to the 10 EMA, went down to the 200. So the question is, what is going to happen now? And there's a few scenarios, but first I want to show you a few things because we're up more on the meme coin portfolio. It's the 274 grand. We used to be up to 162 grand. So if you want to follow the meme coin trades, they are exclusively for the Signals chat. The link for that is in the description down below. Plus you can claim your 20% deposit bonus on Weex. I'm switching to Weex from Mexi. It's a safer exchange. There's a lot more bonuses and so on. So check all of that in the link in the description down below. So when it comes to ADA, the first thing we want to do is make sure we understand where the liquidations lie. So we'll go to the Binance chart. We'll switch to the 1 week. And from here, what we want to see is, did we touch liquidations? Yes, we did. And we did touch some of them, but there's $1.5 million worth of long liquidations, 8512 to 848. So we want to have that marked on the chart. So 512, basically from here to here. We have a massive amount of longs that will be liquidated very soon. So I'm expecting price to dump here. We'll pull some liquidity and we have a retracement. Obviously, by the way, this video is no financial advice. We also have short liquidations 874. So I want to have that marked on the chart, 874, which is basically right here. So two scenarios: we'll go here, we long, we go here, we short. You have the levels. This is exactly how I'm planning to play it out. And you can go to every single video I've had for so long. We've had wins after win after win after win. And it's been beautiful for a very long time. Let me know your thoughts though in the comment section down below, how you're planning to trade Cardano.